सो ईशा, अगेन यार आपके मतलब काम की बात करेंगे तो फैंटास्टिक वर्क यू हैव डन, और यहाँ पे हम सब वही बात कर रहे थे जो आपके जितने भी काम किया हुआ है, एक फीमेल के जो कैरेक्टर्स आपने लिखे हैं, एक अलग पर्सपेक्टिव एवरी टाइम प्रेजेंट किया है। बट ऑफिशियल भूतियागिरी, सबसे पहले लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दैट, हाउ डिड दैट हैपन? इज इट आफ्टर द सक्सेस ऑफ सीओ गिरी?
Well, any season 3 always comes after the success of a season 2. So if the season
Right.
2 didn't work, then you won't get a season 3. So yes,
Correct.
it did. अगर क्वेश्चन है कि भूत कहाँ से आ गए, तो मतलब भूत तो anyway they always just show up when we never know where they come
Right.
from. So
बट सीरियसली, जो ऑफिशियल सीओ गिरी में जो पब्लिक को ह्यूमर मिला था, एक जो अलग अंडरले था, कनेक्टिंग फैक्टर था, ये एक थोड़ा शॉकिंग फैक्टर आ गया कि ये क्या है। बट अगेन द ट्रेलर वाज वेल रिसीव्ड, पीपल लाइक्ड इट बिकॉज इट वाज नॉट दैट टिपिकल हॉरर थिंग। ये जो था उसे जिस तरह से घुमाया आप लोगों ने, एंड मेकिंग दैट हॉन्टेड एक्सपीरियंस फॉर ऑल योर गेस्ट जो आने वाले हैं, एंड प्लस द हॉरर फैक्टर आल्सो कनेक्टिंग, एंड द ह्यूमर वाज इंटैक्ट। तो ये जो डिसीजन जो था, ये सडनली कैसे?
So actually, they don't consult with us. Like the writers and producers don't like necessarily ask the actors because we're actors. We just go there and act. But फिर हमको अपने लिए कहानियां बनानी पड़ती है, कि like to justify for ourselves कि क्यों हो रहा है. Also हमको मतलब 12-14 घंटे मिलते हैं जब कुछ कर रहे नहीं है, तो मतलब we come up with our stories. But I think what happens now is that we have this character, so season 2, we have Dilavar Rana, and he is someone who's got a social anxiety disorder. So the whole of season 2 was him confronting the demons. He can't go outside. So his whole problem was that he couldn't go outside. Now here, they thought that now what do you do? Uska natural progression kya hoega? That he can't go inside. Now what happens what is it that you can't confront on the inside? It's always your past. There's nothing else that's a problem to confront, right? So then this idea came that let's take them back to his old house and things like that. And वहां से भी मतलब when you say old house ना, तो मतलब भूत आ ही जाते हैं कहीं ना कहीं से. So the एक थोड़ा metaphor था story का that the ghosts that we actually have to confront are the ghosts inside us, not the ghosts outside of us.
Outside, correct.
That's where it came from.
और आपका जो कैरेक्टर, मल्लिका का जो कैरेक्टर, कैसा मतलब कितना डिफरेंट है देन व्हाट यू हैव डन इन अदर आपकी जो वेब सीरीज में जो आपने काम किया हुआ, जो आपने लिखी भी है, विल कम टू दैट लेटर, बट ये कितना डिफरेंट है?
So the thing is that in every character that you play, क्या होता है कि you always bring yourself into it. You can't help that, right? So obviously, like the person that I am is there throughout this character. But what I found very interesting about Mallika is that she has a lot of resolve. I'm a very indecisive person. मतलब मेरे को कभी बोलो कि Italian खाना है या Chinese, मेरा दिमाग मतलब फूट जाएगा. Should not talk about Italy and China right now, actually.
And the food की तो और भी बात मत करो.
Oh yeah, that's true. The thing is that Mallika is somebody who is very clear about what she wants and she knows what she wants. So उसका जो indecision उसकी life में आता है, वो उसकी वजह से नहीं है, it's from Dilavar. So it's very interesting to see this character, like because she's very clear that he's the love of her life. Even when उनका divorce हो जाता है, she knows that she's still meant to be with him, but she still goes and gets divorced. So if you see in season 2, she's still with him even after the divorce, and he's proposed to her at least 3 times. So I think it's very clear that she knows what she wants, and she always will wait until the situation is perfect before taking that next step. So even when she's in love with him, she's like, yeah, but I have a boyfriend. So I think वो जो उसकी clarity है ना, वो मतलब वो मेरे में बिल्कुल नहीं है.
Okay. But again, जो MX Player पे, you feel this is the right time for any web series to come public घर पे बैठे? Of course, MX Player is the number 1 platform in India, the OTT platform, और जो लोगों को देखने का मौका मिल रहा है, with that again, पिछले 2 seasons का भी जो प्यार था, plus this thing, you feel this is the right time for the series to get launched?
I can't think of a better time actually, because अभी क्या है कि what else are we doing? मतलब हम बैठे ही तो हैं.
Right.
So everyone's on their phones all the time. Everyone is making sure that the internet connection is working. So कभी-कभी ऐसा है कि you wonder कि would it be different if the show came out at a different time? हमारी promotions ऐसे नहीं हो रही होती हैं. We would be going and we would be promoting together. We'd be doing different things. But I think कि मेरे लिए personally lockdown has been very interesting because I've been confronting a lot of my past. I've been confronting a lot of things कि क्या होता है कि normally if you have a problem, you have an issue, or you have a thought, हम 2 मिनट के लिए सोचते हैं and then we run off and do something else. We get distracted. But now we can't do that. We have to keep. You have a thought, you have to stay with it.
Yeah.
So I think that's kind of interesting if you think about the show from that perspective. Ki we're stuck at home. You know, I've come back here. I'm in my parents' house. I've not lived here since I was 17. And you know, abhi Dilawar Rana is he's gone back home to his old house, and I think confronting the past is something we can all do.
Correct. But you know, कुछ लोगों का ये भी था, again, you love your trollers. We know how you deal with internet and everything, your Instagram funny post and everything. We'll come to that also. But बू सबकी फटेगी के साथ लोग कंपेयर कर रहे थे without even watching it. काफी लोगों ने मुझे अरे ये सेम है, वो बू सब जो तुषार की सीरीज आई थी ना सेम है. I said no, this is not same. This has got different humor. What are your views on that?
I haven't seen the series that you're talking about, so I can't say
Tushar
if it's
Kapoor
similar or
and
different.
Malika Sherawat, same thing. They go to a hotel.
They both have a Malika.
Yeah.
So I don't know. मतलब मेरे को वो story पता नहीं, so I can't say अगर similar है या different है. लेकिन एक बात तो है ना कि you can't write a horror story in the middle of a crowded city, right? The only time अगर आप सोचो कि आपको भूत से डर लग रहा है, right? What happens? What do you do when you get scared? You go and find someone. You know, you go look for your mother, you go look for your boyfriend, you go look for somebody, and you say that, okay, when there's another person here, then I feel less scared. Now, what difference does it make to the booth technically if you're alone or with someone? The booth can do what he wants, but every horror story is always, it's a little bit based on you being alone. So, and it's based on कि यहाँ पे और कोई नहीं है. So, I think the premise of a horror story always requires that you're not around people. You're in a place where it feels like कि अगर यहाँ पे कुछ हो गया, you won't be able to get help. So I think this is something that will be common to every horror story.
Okay. So talking about your career wise में, you know कि अगर हम हिंदी सिनेमा में देखेंगे तो बहुत कम लोग ऐसे होते हैं, like few examples like मुमताज जी थी, इरफान खान, नवाजुद्दीन सिद्दीकी, जिन्होंने छोटे से रोल से शुरुआत की थी and touchwood made their mark. You know, we can see something and talk about your journey also. निर्जा में आपका जो रोल था, but आज जब देखते हैं as a writer, touchwood you are successful on the web platform, as an actor you are successful. कैसा लगता है when you look back and to those struggling days?
Yeah, you know, I'll say one thing that I feel like for an actor, the struggle never ends. Okay, and Neerja was my first big role, but my first role was in a film called No One Killed Jessica.
Yeah.
Where I did a cameo. And that time तो मतलब इतना कुछ सोचा भी नहीं था. Basically, I was a theatre actor in Delhi, and that film was being shot in Delhi, so they got all the theatre actors together, and everyone played a little role. And that was my first time in front of a camera, and I thought, you know, I'd been acting since I was 6 years old, but I'd never faced a camera. और मेरे को कभी ऐसे सोचा नहीं था कि this can even be a profession. So there's of course like the initial struggle of just saying that कि I just want people to notice me and give me work. Once that happens, then you're saying, "Acha, I just want people to give me good work." Then your next struggle is, oh, like I just want a thing where I can like, you know, do like a bigger role, and oh, now I just want a role. So I think human nature is like that. It never ends. You know, I mean, I'm sure even you can say like, when do you feel like your struggle has ended? And once you become really big and you become a big star, then there's a whole different thing of struggle. So I think that's the whole thing, that कि वो struggle कभी खत्म नहीं होएगा. We have to start learning to have fun. You know?
But again, जो web platform है, when it started, you know, it was generally promoted in a very wrong way, with more of again crime based or mafias and sex and drugs, and वो जो type की जो कुछ series थी, it was generally focused on those जो censorship से छुटकारा मिलके यहाँ पे लोग भागे थे. But
exactly.
I feel after Delhi Crime and couple of these web series, things changed, you know, totally. And look at the content which is there. What are your views on that?
You know, I'm so happy about this because I was just doing another interview for this show only, and I was saying that earlier when I first came to Bombay, if you're not a star kid, then you can just be like, what will you do? You'll play the best friend. That's the best role that you can hope to get, right? Also, because a film has different money, different numbers, it has to recover different things. So, एक censorship का तो of course है कि different kinds of stories can be told because the web is not yet censored. But also, a web show, if you look at Bhutiya Giri, I mean, it's 5 episodes. You know, so
Yeah.
we're talking about some 4 to 5 hours of content. If you look at a thing like Delhi Crime, it's maybe like 10 episodes. That's something like 10 hours of content. That means that every scene can breathe. Every actor has like a space to perform because time है. You know, films don't have that kind of time. You have to start and end very quickly in a film.
Yeah. No, but my point was this: the time now, what period we are. This is a fantastic space for web series. Finally, Indian web
100%.
series
Yeah.
have found their space. You know, initially it
Yeah.
was going wrong. Those couple of without naming those OTT platforms, the focus was only one-sided. But now
Yes.
Touchwood. So that's what I'm saying. With
Yes.
your let's say what the focus one thing. You know, your again the best work of yours, fantastic work out there as a writer and as an actor. So
I didn't write what
you
the
know.
book.
Acha, but not even the couple of dialogues, this thing?
Yeah, dialogues तो मतलब वो हो जाता है मतलब sometimes when you're on screen ना like कभी
Hmm.
कभी होता है कि writer ने एक scene एक तरीके से सोचा था but when the actors come there something else starts to happen, a new thing starts to happen. Sometimes you think कि अच्छा इस scene में सब रो तो रहे हैं but it'll be interesting if I laugh and then suddenly things
Okay.
change, you know, and that's up to the director कि वो आपको कितना freedom देता है. तो because I'm a writer क्या हो जाता है कि वो unconsciously थोड़ा हो जाता है that I start writing my own lines and then I start writing everybody's lines. That becomes a problem. But officially, I'm not a writer on What the Folks. I was a writer for
Okay, but
another show of mine, Great Indian Dysfunctional Family.
great in it. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
that's also a fantastic one. But इसके बारे में जो success इसको मिला था, people have a huge fan following for WTF के लिए. तो वो कैसा
Yes.
रहा? You know, when was the first time when you felt कि yes, it's finally hit the right chord.
You know, so WTF is actually, I think, a really big success story because it was a really small show. I had just finished नीजा के बाद मैंने एक टीवी शो किया था बंदी युद्ध के एंड मतलब वो शो खत्म हुआ था एंड मैंने सुना था कि कोई ये चीज है वेब सीरीज सब लोग कर रहे हैं मेरे भी दोस्त कर रहे थे so I got a call saying there's this web series for Filter Copy. So I said, what's Filter Copy? It's like a hair platform. Filter Copy was also very small that time.
Good. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And when I looked at my role, अगर आप देखोगे कि season 1 of What the Folks, it doesn't. I'm never really there. मतलब मेरा ऐसा है. I'm always on FaceTime. I'm always on Skype.
Yeah.
So my role was my shooting only took about 7 days. You know,
Okay.
whereas everyone else had shot for some like 4 or 5 weeks. But I felt like the character made such an impact on people, and the show made an impact on people because it was, I think, it was a small show, but it spoke to people because it was a very honest show, and it was showing something progressive. You know, it was showing a woman that was older than her husband. It was showing a man living with his wife's family. It was showing all sorts of things. She was more successful than him, things like that. But ये बहुत gently उन्होंने handle किया था. You know, these ideas where normally somebody comes and says that like women's rights and ye and wo, and then sometimes people become a little, they don't want to hear it. But when the show is also just being nice and sweet and gentle about it, then you can think of that idea in a different way. I think that's the actual success of the show. हमें क्या पता था ये होने वाला था. मैंने कहा चलो मेरा एक हफ्ता खाली है मैं कर लेती हूँ.
और जब नीजा आपने की थी तो अगेन ट्रेलर के वक्त तो सबको लगा था ये फिल्म अच्छी होगी राम को knowing him his work and everything but what film did was phenomenal people like I remember when we watched it in press screening there was like standing ovation in the end में जो एक टच हो गया था हार्ट पे तो कहीं पे आपको लगा था कि ये फिल्म वो लेवल तक टच होगी आज जितनी जो एक मुकाम पे पहुंची थी वो होगा
मैं आपको अगर एक बात बताऊं ना all the projects that I think कि कर लो, it's a good project, I like the script, always become these big things, you know, and the things that I feel कि this is a good idea you should do, मतलब nobody ever watches them. So now I make my choices. Now I make my choices कि if I feel like it's not going to be a big thing, then I'll do it because it always works. I think this attitude is the best way to go about it. Now just see if you feel like doing it or not. And if you do it in an honest way, then it kind of works out. Expectations रहेंगी तो then it almost never, will be something that you actually enjoy.
So as a writer जब आपने बात की कि राइटर्स को यहाँ पे ड्यू नहीं मिलता है अग्री टू दैट बिकॉज बहुत कम राइटर्स है जिनको नाम था एक जमाने में सलीम जावेद हैड देयर नेम दे फॉट फॉर दैट एंड दे रॉयली डिड कि भाई हमारे नाम पे फिल्म बिकती थी बट आज फिर भी आई थिंक जमाना बदल रहा है लोग अगेन राइटर्स को भी देख रहे हैं कि ये इस राइटर की कहानी है एंड बीइंग एन एक्टर आई गेस दैट गिव्स यू अ प्लस पॉइंट आल्सो बिकॉज नोइंग एज एन एक्टर एंड राइटर एक कहीं पे आपको लगता है कि वो एक डिफरेंस पड़ता है
It's a lot of difference. मेरा कोई कभी plan नहीं था writer बनने का. It happened by accident because when I first went to Bombay, there was no work. So मतलब 1 year I just sat unemployed and I had to do something. So I said, so that's how I started writing. So कभी होता है ना कि necessity is the mother of invention. So this thing just happened to me by chance, and I think that my writing made me a much better actor. I started to understand acting properly after I became a writer, because then I saw ki where does a character is. I would think ki the character is born the day I start acting, but it made me realize that the character is actually created in the writer's mind. That's the first time that you actually see the character is the writer. So and we think as writers, we think about we think about everything, like what was this person's mother, what was their father, when were they
Backstory.
first slapped across the face, what was their first kiss, we think about all those things that got them, because the character story doesn't begin when the show begins or when the film begins. The character story begins where the writer decides it begins. So I think that writers are not given enough credit at all, because those moments that touch you, an actor cannot do a good scene if a writer did not write a good scene. You see, a good script can become a bad show, but a bad script will never become a good show.
Well said. But again, जो आपने writing work की बात करें, तो which was the one जो आपके दिल के बहुत करीब है?
मेरे दिल के बहुत करीब है. Yeah, the thing is that everything that you writing is hard. Writing is a lot harder than acting. Acting is fun. Writing is difficult. So there always is okay, the thing that I wrote that I enjoyed the most and which I feel like is closest to my heart is a piece that I did for a company called Commune, which is a storytelling piece, and I performed it in something called Spoken Fest. So this was a spoken word festival. There were 7,000 people there, and it's on my link in my Instagram bio also, and I told the story of my grandfather and about how he came from Lahore to Delhi during the partition, and उस time वो CAA का बहुत हो रहा था, so there was a very politically charged climate. So it was a political story. The piece was, this is not a political story, but it was about my grandfather, who I love very much. So I think that for me was the thing that's touched my heart the most.
अगेन आप जो कैरेक्टर्स लिखती है, बीइंग अ फीमेल, दिस थिंग, जो आपने एक बहुत अच्छी बात शुरुआत में भी इंटरव्यू के वक्त कहा कि जब फेमिनिज्म की बात आती है तो कुछ लोग कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा सा ओवरडू कर देते हैं, बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू योर सीरीज इट कम्स यू इट्स लाइक राजकुमार हिरानी स्टाइल ऑफ सिनेमा, जब आप मैसेज भी दे रहे हो बट अगेन वो पूरा समझ में भी आ रहा है, छू भी रहा है, कहीं पे वो उनको ऑफेंड नहीं कर रहा है या कहीं पे वो रॉन्ग वे में नहीं जा रहा है, इट गोज इन द राइट वे. तो एज जब आप लिखते हो तो आपने इतने डिफरेंट कैरेक्टर्स लिखे हैं, तो कहीं ना कहीं उसमें आप कैसे डिफरेंशिएट करते हो?
So see, I think that आपको ये देखना आता है कि what are you doing right now when you're writing? Are you just trying to give a scenario, or are you trying to change someone's mind about something? Right? If I start shouting at you right now, you'll stop listening to me. Right? So quite simply, when you're writing, I think try not to shout. The best way to explain something to someone is you can't make people feel stupid. So as a writer, you can't be arrogant. You can't think that you know better than somebody else, right? Aajkal, like I see that a lot of people write to me and they're like, "Oh, you're a fake feminist," and I'm like, "What does that even mean?" Yeah. So I'm not going to go out there and start abusing them, right? But I will try and tell them that, listen, feminism is not about saying that I hate men. Feminism is about saying that men and women are equal. Feminism is not something that's against men. Feminism is against patriarchy. These are different things. So if you come from a perspective that I know better, then nobody's going to listen to you anyway. Now the thing is कि अगर आप Instagram की बात करते हो, if you're following me, then that's your choice. I didn't ask you to follow me. I'm talking. तुम्हें आना है तो आ जाओ, नहीं आना है मत आओ. I don't have a responsibility towards you. I have a responsibility towards me to say what I want to say on my platform. So I think things change, but it's different when you're making a show, because then you're representing a different brand, you're representing a different platform. So social media is very different. That's me. No one can interfere with that.
But then कैसे ट्रोल्स को कैसे आप हैंडल करते हैं? क्योंकि आपने कहा कि जो अच्छे
मैं तो उनके पीछे पड़ जाती हूँ,
but जो हॉरिबल वंस अच्छा, you decide कि full.
So there's the trolls are very interesting. I think कभी किसी को ना trolls पे film बनानी चाहिए because I think trolls are the saddest creatures in the world, right? मतलब मुझे इतना दुख नहीं होता किसी के लिए जितना मेरे को trolls के लिए होता है because I just think कि आप सोचो when do you want to hurt somebody is when you are in pain. When do you want to make someone feel uncomfortable about themselves is when you're uncomfortable about yourself. अभी जैसे I can see so many guys here telling me like lift your arms, I
Yeah,
want to see your
I
armpits.
saw that.
Why do
Yeah.
they need to do that? You know, why do you need to do that? Why do you need to put a woman out here and make her feel uncomfortable? It's because you're not happy with who you are. So you want to make me unhappy with who I am and make my time over here make me uncomfortable, right? Now it's up to me when I want to ignore you and when I want to pay attention to you. But the thing is that I think one thing that I learned with the Me Too movement is that the only thing that we have, right? There are two ways we can address this. We educate people about how they're supposed to be, not just about not to women but to human beings, right? And the other thing is that so we can raise better people, we can create better humans, or we go out there and call the ones that are not doing the right thing. We call them out because shame is the only thing that shuts people up. So when the Me Too movement happened and names started getting called out, shame was the only thing that scared people. So that's the thing. So I just अगर आजकल ना क्या होता है पहले I used to just put it out there and I used to hide the name that here's a creep who
Yeah.
said something. Now I don't do that because I'm like, you know what, I don't deserve to hide. You should be ashamed. Why
Of
should I
course.
be ashamed? So now I just go out there and see what will they do. These people don't have photos, they don't have names, they have things like SKWXYZ64321. You're not a
Yeah.
person. You don't think you're a person. And कभी कभी होएगा कि they'll put something out there and if you ignore them वो in 2 minutes they'll go create a new handle
Yeah. We
and
saw
they'll put
that
something
also.
else. Yeah. And then and as soon as you pay attention to them they'll be saying bullshit to you and as soon as you pay attention they're like, oh ma'am, I just wanted to get your attention. What? You think that works? Yeah, you got my attention but it wasn't good.
Make it in a positive way at least. एक और वही पे
Positivity तो
सवाल
बहुत
है.
दूर की बात है. Just be normal. Like just be
Yeah.
normal. That's enough. I'm not even asking you to be
See.
positive. You know.
You are a dog lover, right? I've read about it. काफी photos देखे और अभी जो series एक आई है पाताल लोक, which has got a fantastic message. आपने देखी है series?
देख रही हूँ. So please don't give me any spoilers.
No,
उसमें
I'm
dogs
not
हैं.
giving any spoilers, but एक मैसेज है डॉग के ऊपर कि जो आदमी कुत्तों से प्यार करता है वो बहुत अच्छा इंसान होता है, and something like that.
I agree. I
तो
agree.
क्या कैसा लग रहा है पाताल लोक देख के? मतलब everyone's talking about it, 4.5,
Are we talking
5
about
star
dogs or are we
ratings.
talking about Patal Lok?
So dogs की बात भी करते हैं और पाताल लोक की भी बात करते हैं, दोनों को लेते हैं.
Okay. I really like Patal Lok. I think I'm only on episode 3 right now, but I have some friends in there. I'm very excited to watch them. And I really am happy to see the kind of work that's happening. Yeah, like I mean, I can't wait to do a show like this because right now, like most of the things I do have always been thoda sa comedy and things like that. But it's really nice to see things that breathe, and that give time to let stories evolve. So I've really, really enjoyed it. About dogs, yes. I remember my mother asked me that, like, what's your deal breaker? Like, what kind of guy would you definitely not go for? So, other deal breaker is that they don't love dogs because I just don't trust people that don't like dogs. I just feel like some compassion must be missing in you as a human being, yeah. How can you not like? I understand that you don't think you can take care of one. Like in my life in Bombay, I can't get a dog because I don't have the resources. I don't have the time. I won't be able to travel, so I don't want to be unfair. But I can understand that you can't have a dog. But how can you not want a dog? That's never made sense to me. Or any animal.
किसका परफॉर्मेंस पसंद आ रहा है पाताल लोक में अभी तक? थर्ड एपिसोड में, so it's like the Tyagi's introduction has just started.
So Tyagi is my friend Abhishek Banerjee, who's also a casting director, who was the one who cast me in No One Killed Jessica. It's interesting. And even him, we had a conversation once that like it's so great that this kind of work is happening because now we can do it. Normally a film would never have the time to go into a Tyagi like that, So I've really enjoyed Tyagi's character, of course. वो मेरा थोड़ा loyalty भी है. He's a fantastic actor, but I love Hathiram, that Jaideep Malawat's role, because you know what I
Finally,
find
he's
very
got something.
yeah, he's such a good actor, and also like you know what I find that something that I've really enjoyed about so his eyes, like बहुत serious सब कुछ हो रहा है, but his eyes always have a sense of humor to them. You know,
Yeah.
there's something, there's like some little spark or something in there that is really interesting, and I feel like the show, even though it's such a serious show and it's drama and it's a thriller and all, there's always a touch of humor in there. Like they put a dog. You know, like I think that Savitri, dog ka naam Savitri hai. You know, like there's always a little thing, tiny thing that it breaks the seriousness just a little bit, and I think that makes the show easier to watch. So I
So
quite
I
like
won't
it.
give you spoilers, but आगे देखना आपको मजा आएगा. Being a dog lover. So coming to आज नवाज का birthday and your next film is with him. So please kindly share something about it.
This film is directed by a Bangladeshi director. It's an international film, and it was shot in New York. I can't tell you much about the film because I
Okay.
can't. Nobody has given me that liberty to do it. But we shot. The film was shot in New York, in Australia, in Bombay. It was shot in lots of different places, and it's an immigrant story. And I'm one of the characters that comes in from his past. That was really interesting. So it's one of those things again कि एक हफ्ते का काम किया था, but it's a really interesting role and really interesting scene. So
और अगेन यहाँ पे कुछ क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं. सबसे पहले तो ये प्लीज आपके अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स के बारे में बताइए. व्हाट्स हैपनिंग continuously? Arjit Mehta
the
is
one
writing.
project I'm really excited about is that when I can go out and meet a friend, you know, because I can't remember the last time I did that. We don't know anything about our upcoming projects. We don't know when the shoots are happening next. One thing that I had in the pipeline of, you know, it's something that requires a lot of travel, so I don't know when that's going to happen. As a writer, I'm writing a film right now. I'm also writing another show. So I'm hoping that while I write roles for other people, someone writes something really exciting for me.
They will, of course they will. We got something. आप देख क्या रही है? आपने कहा वेब सीरीज देख रही है घर पे बैठे.
I'm
तो फिलहाल आप क्या
Patal
देख रही है?
I'm watching Patal Lok right now.
उसके अलावा और क्या कुछ नया? Something share with your fans they should watch. You know कुछ
नहीं,
देखना
I'm
चाहिए.
a very
भूतियागिरी तो
monogamous
देखना ही है
watcher.
उन्हें.
I don't watch more than 2 shows at a time. I can date 2 guys at the same time, but I can't watch 2 shows at the same time. Very monogamous show watcher.
चलिए, great. We wish you for your future for this thing works and everything, and all
Thank
the
you.
best for that. Stay safe and जल्द मिलते हैं एक बार ये lockdown खुलता है, because we really love your
Yes.
work and keep doing
Thank you
what
so
you are
much.
doing. Yeah,
Thank you.
take
I
care.
really enjoyed this conversation. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Take care.